Hi, I'm Helen and I'm a crochet designer. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to work the V-puff stitch. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. The V-puff stitch is a beautifully textured version of the classic V-stitch. To begin, chain 1. Work 1 treble crochet in the first stitch. Skip the next 3 stitches. In the next stitch, work 1 puff stitch. To work a puff stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch and pull up a loop. Do this a total of 5 times. There will be 11 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 11 loops. Chain 1 and work another puff stitch in the same stitch. Chain 1 to close. Continue to work puff stitch, chain 1, puff stitch, chain 1 in every 4th stitch along the row until 3 stitches remain. Skip 2 stitches and work 1 treble crochet in the last stitch, changing to the next contrasting colour with the last yarn over of this final stitch. Chain 1. Turn your work. Triple crochet 1 in the first stitch. Work 1 puff stitch, 1 chain, 1 puff stitch, 1 chain in each chain 1 space between V puff stitches in the previous row to the last stitch. Triple crochet 1 in the last stitch. Turn your work. For all subsequent rows, repeat this second V-puff stitch row. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments. See you for more videos soon. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to find a new project, book a workshop, or learn a new skill.